Hi, I'm Lorri. I'm the Chief Baby Catcher here at South Coast Midwifery, and we have some new family members with us. We have some new mama and daddy. We've got baby Lucas, and we've got Alexi, daddy, and Whitney's mom. And I come across a lot of new parents all the time, and we want to teach them, help them feel confident about how they're holding their baby. And we're so lucky today that we have this little one. We get to show you how to do that. This is called a bit of a startle reflex, and one of the things that babies get worried about is they want to feel the walls. So sometimes if you just hold them snugly, it helps them be calm. It's essentially like swaddling, so it helps to calm them because they're used to having the walls of the uterus surrounding and hugging them. So when they get let go, they can get worried, like it doesn't feel like home. So just comfort your baby like that. Today I want to show you how to pick up a baby, feel very confident in holding your newborn, and so that everybody isn't afraid of how to touch the newborn. So let me show you. Okay, so this is Lucas. Hi Lucas, hi, welcome. So I want you to look at what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using this part of my hand, and I'm going to put it in the armpit of Lucas, right up, way up under there. And see how my fingers kind of go towards the back of his neck? And when I have him like this, I'm going to have him roll over onto my forearm. And when I pick him up, I'll have the back of his neck supported. So he's got that, and he'll feel really, as a new parent, you're going to feel really confident that you've got a hold of him. I'll show you the other way with the other hand. Oh, hi, baby. Hi. I'm going to show you again, putting this part inside his armpit and roll him towards me. Yeah, hi. All right, so you're going to just use this part of your hand, putting it all the way underneath. And you're going to bring your fingers around the back of Lucas' neck and head. Yeah, and then roll him right onto your forearm. You got it. So newborns, right after their birth, do not like tight t-shirts or clothing going over the top of their head. It's almost like they feel like they're being born again, and they get really nervous. So avoid going over their head, either pulling on a tight t-shirt or taking it off. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. Okay, Lucas. So he's just talking. He's like, am I getting dressed? Am I not getting dressed? It's all right. They like to be comforted being held close like that. Okay, I'll try to hurry, Lucas. So that's the way to take it off. And avoid putting the shirt over his head like that. They don't like that. So just going up from the bottom. Just going up from the bottom. Okay, baby Lucas. And help him put his little hand in, and then just pull his little arm up. Don't be afraid to move him. He's just talking. He's not being hurt. He's okay. It's okay. We're here. And there you go. There you go. Hey. He's okay. There he is. So there you are. There's some tips and trade secrets of midwives from the Chief Baby Catcher at South Coast Midwifery. If you'd like to know more, if you'd like to experience this kind of care, more education, interactive, etc., let us know. We're here to help.